Hi, and welcome to the Inner Game of Coaching card deck. This is for Robert Dilts and myself a great pleasure to welcome you on our online platform where you can learn more about it. So this card deck is 77 cards where you can learn and use what I thought was the best tools from Robert's. And please know that it was quite a challenge to figure out what were the best models from Robert. As you know, he's so fluent in modeling people and creating such incredible models and tools for coaching. So these are the ones I use, and this is the criteria I use to select them. What were the ones I was most using in my own coaching practice? So here you are going to see all of these models, all of these cards, and learn how to apply them to a coaching sessions. So what I'm doing with you in these videos is do as if you were one of my clients and as if I was using one of the model with you. So you have around 14 videos to watch and maybe more. As time goes by, we'll add more. So you always get a chance to see how to apply it yourself. Please know also that there is a great benefit of enrolling to our online platform, because what you're gonna get is the PDF version of the 77 cards, so you can use them in your own online sessions. When you share your screen, you can share the cards that you want to use with your clients. That's another great way to use these cards. So on behalf of Robert and myself, we wish you a lot of pleasure. We wish your clients a lot of pleasure and a lot of playfulness, serious playfulness with the Inner Game of Coaching card deck. Enjoy!